My name is Subrat Kumar Panigrahi. I am the faculty of Civil Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about three-phase system of soil mass. So basically, the soil mass consisting of three phases. One is solid phase, liquid phase, and air phase. So in this diagram, we can see a soil mass is divided into soil solids, which is assigned as Vs. Vs is equal to volume of soil solids, and the corresponding weight of solid is known as weight of the soil solids. Then this portion is known as the water phase. It is denoted by Vw, and the Vw is the volume of water, and the corresponding weight of water is known as Ww. And the last phase is denoted as Va, which is known as volume of air. So air does not count any weight. So in this three-phase system, we can see the total weight of the soil is known as is equal to weight of the solid plus weight of water, and the total volume of void is the summation of volume of air plus volume of water. It is known as volume of void. So the total volume can be calculated as volume of void plus volume of solids, and the total weight can be calculated as weight of solids plus weight of water. In the second diagram, we can see the same three-phase system, as we can change the three-phase system into two-phase system in this way. If we remove the air voids and replace it with water, then it is called saturated soil. Saturated soil. In saturated soil, there will be soil solids and water. In the contrary, if we dry the soil mass, then all the water content of the soil mass will get evaporated and air will take its place. So in this way, we can find out various soil engineering properties by calculating all the denominations of the soil, and accordingly we will find out the void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation, water content, etc. in the next class. Thank you.